Looking up home security alarm systems online feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Every product looks the same, uses the same buzzwords, and shows the same stock photos of happy families. But the real difference isn't in the ads. It's in the details most brands don't want you to see. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1: GE Window and Door Alarms 4-Pack. This GE 4-Pack is one of the most basic but effective entry-level options out there. At under $32, it's not trying to be a full system, it's just simple magnetic alarms for doors and windows. If you want an affordable, no-frills layer of deterrence for an apartment or small home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each unit blasts a 120 decibel alarm when triggered. That's loud enough to scare off a casual intruder and wake up your whole neighborhood. You can also switch it to chime mode so you hear when someone opens a door, which is perfect for parents or pet owners. Installation is dead simple, just stick them on with the included tape. No wires, no apps, no Wi-Fi. They run on LR44 batteries included, and there's even a battery test button. Now, some people complained about the lack of smart features or remote alerts. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to be a high-tech system. It's a physical deterrent. If you're looking for app control or integration with other devices, this won't cut it. But if you just want a loud, reliable alarm on your windows and doors without monthly fees or setup hassle, it does the job. This is perfect for you if you rent, live in a small space, or want a backup layer of protection. Skip this one if you need remote monitoring, cameras, or smart home integration. For under $35, it's solid value for basic peace of mind. Product number 2, SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless system. Now, if the GE alarms felt too basic, the SimpliSafe 8-piece system is where things get serious. At $255, it's a full wireless security setup with professional monitoring options. If you want real protection without drilling holes or signing long contracts, this is a top contender. The motion sensors cover up to 35 feet and ignore pets under 60 pounds, so no false alarms from your cat. You control everything through the SimpliSafe app, and you can arm or disarm it from anywhere. Plus, you get 1 free month of 24/7 professional monitoring, which means real people respond to alarms and call the police if needed. No long-term contracts, and monitoring starts under $1 a day. Now, some people complained about the lack of built-in cameras in this kit. Here's the thing though, this is the starter pack. It's designed to protect your doors, windows, and rooms first. You can always add cameras later. And honestly, not everyone needs video right away. The system still sends instant alerts, has a loud 95 decibel siren, and works even during power outages thanks to the 24-hour battery backup. This is perfect for you if you want a complete, expandable system with optional monitoring and smart app control. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or live outside the US. SimpliSafe doesn't support international sales. For the features and reliability, it's excellent value. Product number 3, SimpliSafe 9-piece with HD camera. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want eyes inside your home. The SimpliSafe 9-piece system adds a 1080p HD camera to the previous setup, bringing the price to $382. If you want video verification and faster police response, this is the upgrade you've been looking for. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The SimpliCam records in full HD and has a privacy shutter you can close remotely so you control when it's watching. When paired with professional monitoring, video verification can lead to priority dispatch. That means police respond faster because they've seen evidence of a real break-in. The rest of the system is the same: motion sensors, entry detectors, panic button, and cellular backup. Everything connects through the app, and you still get that free first month of monitoring. Now, some people complained about the camera being wired only and not weatherproof. Here's the thing though, it's an indoor camera, so weather doesn't matter. And while it needs to be plugged in, that ensures constant power and no battery worries. If you want outdoor coverage, you'd need additional cameras, but for indoor monitoring, it's reliable and clear. This is perfect for you if you want video proof and faster emergency response. Skip this one if you only need basic sensors or don't want to pay for monitoring. For the added security of seeing what's happening, it's worth the extra cost. Product number 4, Talviviev 8-piece Wi-Fi system. Now, if Simply Safe's price feels steep, this Talviviev system offers a lot of the same features for just $70. It includes 5-door window sensors, a siren, and 2 remotes, all controllable via app and Alexa. If you want smart alerts without monthly fees, this is a budget-friendly alternative. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can use voice commands. The system is expandable up to 20 sensors and 5 remotes, so you can grow it over time. Installation is tool-free with adhesive mounts, and the main unit plugs into AC with an 8-hour battery backup. Now, some people complained about it only working on 4 GHz Wi-Fi and occasional app lag. Here's the thing though, most smart home devices still use 4 GHz, so that's not a deal breaker. And while the app isn't as polished as Simply Safe's, it gets the job done. For under $70 with no subscription, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want app control and smart features on a budget. Skip this one if you need professional monitoring or live in an area with unreliable Wi-Fi. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 5, Talviviev Wi-Fi Door Alarm System Gray. This is essentially the same Talviviev system as the previous one, just a different color and listing. It's the 8-piece kit with 5 sensors, a siren, and 2 remotes, all for $69.94. If you like the last one but prefer gray or want a backup option, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has the same features: app alerts, Alexa compatibility, no monthly fees, and expandability up to 20 sensors. The alarm station runs on AC power with an 8-hour battery backup, so it stays on during outages. Setup is fast and damage-free, and you can customize modes like home, away, and disarm. Now, some people complained about the lack of 5 GHz Wi-Fi support and limited customer service. Here's the thing though, this is a DIY system meant for simplicity. If you're comfortable setting up smart devices and don't need 24/7 support, it works well. But if you want hand-holding or advanced tech, this might frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable no-contract system with app control. Skip this one if you need professional monitoring or expect top-tier customer service. For the price, it's a solid pick. So which one should you get? The GE alarms are great for basic deterrence. Simply Safe offers the best overall protection with monitoring. The Talviviev systems give you smart features for under $70. If you want video, go with the 9-piece Simply Safe. And if you're on a tight budget, the Talviviev kits deliver serious value. No single system is perfect for everyone, but one of these is perfect for you.